How to fix Windows cannot find. Make sure you type the name correctly and try again. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can fix if Windows says that it cannot find, and make sure that you enter the correct name. So make sure to stick with me till the end. So if your computer was running fine, all of a sudden it gave you such kind of error that says cannot find.exe, make sure you type the name correctly. It could be that your system file is actually corrupt. Now to fix this, open up a search bar and type in cmd and you'll find command prompt, but you have to run it as an administrator. So right click on it and click on the run as administrator option here. Now here under this command, what you have to do is just type in sfc space slash scan. Now this will actually scan your Windows or your system for any sort of corrupt files. So just go ahead and then check if you have this and hit the enter button. This will take a couple of minutes. By the way, it will begin the verification, it will restart your computer, and it will fix any sort of issues that you might have. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.